Welcome to another guided meditation from Altered Paradigms. Today we're going to look at a 285 Hz guided meditation for physical restoration. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, and gently close your eyes. Begin by bringing your attention to the rhythm of your breath. Inhale deeply, drawing air into your belly. Exhale completely, letting your body sink into the surface beneath you. Allow your awareness to rest on the resonant hum of 285 Hz playing in the background. This is the frequency of physical healing, of returning to your original perfect blueprint. The 285 Hz frequency communicates directly with your physical form. It sends a message of repair and restoration to your cells, your tissues, and your energy field. Imagine a warm, earthy light beginning to pool at the base of your spine. With every breath, this light grows warmer and more vibrant, bringing a profound sense of safety and of grounding. Allow this light to slowly spread through your body. Feel it moving down into your legs and feet, anchoring you to the earth. Now, let it rise into your torso, your arms, and your head. Where there is tension, let the light soften it. Where there is discomfort, let the sound mend it. Your body possesses an incredible natural intelligence. It knows exactly how to heal itself. Visualize the sound vibrating through your cells, reminding them of their perfect, healthy state. Be mindful of any areas of wear, fatigue, or injury being enveloped in this restorative energy. Silently repeat these words to yourself. My body is a vessel of vibrant health. I release physical blockages and welcome deep healing. Every cell in my body is regenerating and restoring itself. Rest here in this space of active repair. You are entirely safe. Slowly begin to deepen your breath, drawing fresh, revitalizing air into your renewed body. Bring gentle movement back into your physical form. Wiggle your fingers and wiggle your toes. Roll your shoulders back slightly. Feel the solidity of your body refreshed and realigned with its natural state of wellness. Take one final deep breath in and release it with a sigh. Whenever you are ready, gently open your eyes. Carry this restored energy with you as you go about your day. Thank you for taking this time out of your day for your well-being with Altered Paradigms. Consider subscribing to your channel, and we'll hopefully see you next time.